In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Notion. If you've ever worked inside a Notion database and noticed that some text gets cut off because the column is too narrow, wrapping the text is a simple way to make everything easier to read without constantly widening columns. This is especially helpful when you're working with longer titles, notes, or descriptions, and you want to see the full content directly inside the table view. To get started, go to your Notion page. Open the page that contains the database or table where you want to adjust the way the text appears. Once you're there, take a moment to locate the specific column where the text is being shortened or hidden. The goal here is to change the display setting for that column so the content can continue onto another line instead of staying on just one line. Next, click on the text header at the top of the column you'd like to wrap text in. This is the column title itself, located at the top of the table. When you click it, Notion will open a small menu with options related to that column. Make sure you're selecting the correct column before moving on, especially if your database has several fields with similar names. This setting only affects the column you choose. So if you want the same result in other columns, you would repeat the same process there as well. From that menu, click on Wrap Content. As soon as you select this option, the text in that column will begin wrapping onto multiple lines within each cell. That means instead of seeing only part of the content, you'll be able to view more of it without needing to expand the column width manually. This can make your table much more readable, especially when you're reviewing detailed entries. One thing to keep in mind is that wrapping text may make your rows taller, since longer content now takes up more vertical space. That's normal, and it's the trade-off for being able to see more information at a glance. If readability is more important than keeping rows compact, this setting is definitely worth using. And that's all it takes to wrap text in Notion. It's a very quick adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how organized and readable your workspace feels, especially in busy tables with lots of information.